nabangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. My name is Nondutu Zongube, and as usual, I am ngihamba ngihamba lo co-host wami General Leslie. Guys, at Deb3 Events, it's your trusted partner when it comes to events planning and management. So, awukhathalekile ukuthi event bani, all types of events, be it corporate, be it social, be it church, lobola, weddings, you name it. Lama shows, guys, i-Deb3 ilakho ukuthi iphathi sekhona lapho. Laba bafuna i-stage higher, laba bafuna i-PA system, laba bafuna ama-special effects, sikhuluma-ke ngama-smoke machines, i-Deb3 lakho konke khona lokho. Laba bafuna-ke i-photography, videography, i-Deb3 lakho ilakho ukuthi iphathise. And also, talking about ama-musicians, sike sabona ama-musicians for ED lapha, sibabona ku-social media. Guys, rehearsal space is there. Studio is there. Leslie.
Yeah, rehearsal space is there, studio is there. Hello and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. This is General Leslie and we are back again. Like I always say, this episode is powered by Ogutle Designs, and I've been receiving messages from people outside the country. They said, wanna do posters, wanna do banners. Yes, we can design for you from here. So if you need any poster design, if you need any banner design, any t-shirt design, whatever that has to do with graphic designing, whether we say UK, Alaska, Jamaica, Madagascar, Gombe Country Park, we can make something for you. So if you need anything that has to do with graphic design, make sure you contact Ogutle Designs today, and we are here to cover you. And also, if you are local, maybe you are hosting a Lobola day, a wedding day, a church conference, Thanksgiving, Abuya, festive season is upon us, weddings are happening, a lot of things are happening in town, and I always say, under one roof, you can get Deb3 Events, and also you can get Ogutle Designs. So if you need sound, Deb3 Events is here. If you need cinematography, Deb3 Events is here. If you need smoke machines, if you need a band, if you need MCs, we are here to cater for you. But if you need graphic designing, Ogutle Designs inaji ukuthi mbamba nana. Yabo wena ufuna skipper selobola day.
Eyazothina ngisadinga umuntu okunlobola.
Ivenue band khona konke.
Ngiyathola umuntu okunlobola.
Ne.
I'll get back to you.
All right. So setholile.
Khona lapho.
Setholile sakwazi ukukusetha.
So like it's quite interesting. Besikhuluma nge-studio le-rehearsal space. I mentioned musicians for ED. But anyway, guys, even if you're not a musician for ED, space is called a rehearsal space.
All musicians are for ED.
So guys, if you're a musician, or say upcoming, lo upcomer.
Lo funa nje upcomer.
Deb3 cutters for everyone. It's inclusive. Inclusive.
Yeah.
Musicians for ED. What an interesting 10 of things.
You got to mphuzile ubuza ngakho.
Bulawayo musicians for ED actually.
Yeah, because I knew the first guys to do it were from Hararabo, Tigonzi, and the other guys.
Do we have comedians for ED?
I'm going to be doing that very soon. Comedians.
Brace yourself. Did you see a reaction about brace yourself?
Yeah.
For a rage from people.
Which is normal though. The only problem that's there, and not that I'm endorsing politics go art, and but I'm just saying example yami bias, because I always give example of one artist wasuka koBulawayo waya go eHarare and started doing good, then koBulawayo baqasa ukuchinga ukuthi wayehambe eHarare, but wayikhipha ama EP angu 2 koBulawayo kungela umuntu owathenga. So Mina I always say at the end of the day kuyini okufaka ukudla etafuleni lakho because into eqhakathekileyo uyabona ukuthi kufana lokudlalela ibhoso yasupporta ngokhwelo kuphela.
So guys, we saw a post on social media. Mina I saw it on Facebook. Sibone uSipho Mesent, sibone uma9, sibone Feb G. Auntie.
Yeah.
Those were the Bulawayo guys. Embabonileyo mina. I think they were announcing something about Bulawayo musicians for ED. They didn't state their membership, but from the looks of it, ungani they are forming a Bulawayo musicians for ED, and the reaction from the people is something else.
Yeah, but people always react no and all right, this is the thing. Every time when ungabuya uti people are not supportive towards an artist, the reactions that we get, this topic is now tired. What do you want us to do? Do you want us to come to your homes and give you bread? And then someone comes and says, I'm going to give you bread.
I think when it comes to Indolean, we are hypocrites. Why? Because there are some people who are affiliated with political parties. And labo ba right, untouchables, but they are okay. It's as kulumi lutho. But then when certain people associate themselves with political parties, siyaba ngumsindo. Yabo. Kulabantu abaningi kakhulu esibaziyo lapha aba politically associated, and we support them.
Yes,
Samuriu, for instance.
Yes.
Brian Samuriu. He is not even hiding it. It's known.
No.
And we even look at our very own Highlanders. The leadership.
Yes.
Siyakwazi, we know. Yabo. Our very own beloved town clerk.
Yes.
It's known. So ingabantu esibathandayo labo. So akulandaba ukuthi they are affiliated with the ruling party. It doesn't mean. But laba abanye laba, it's not nice, sebethengisile and stuff like that. So I think thina ngokwethu sengama hypocrites.
And also on top of being hypocrites and all right, mina I think umuntu nxa kusasa ngingaphuma ngigqoka isikhavu, I think kumele kuchinge umuntu onsupportayo obuya kuma shows ami ethengile iticket and umuntu oyenza i-follow up on my content ku TikTok, Facebook, whatever, umuntu ofaka i-push in terms of my craft going forward. And ayikho ukuthi from nowhere you just appear and say why ngenze so.
And you know what? Adding on to that, I think abantu must be educated about this. You cannot cancel umuntu ongakazi umsupport.
Yeah.
So if you threaten someone ukuthi I will cancel you, we are cancelling uzibani. Umcancela njani vele ungakazi umsupport. How do you cancel umuntu vele ungakazi umsupport? How do you do that? Because we've got people, ordinary people who think they have money. They might be having money, but they think they have money from my perspective, and because angwazi ukuthi kuhamba njani kibo. Who think they can cancel anyone at any given time. But you have never supported me. Uzangicancela njani?
Uyangicancela njani ongakwazi ukuthi ngenzani?
Okwenzayo akula effect empilweni yami, akula effect on my craft. So how are you going to cancel me?
Yeah. I mean, I think vele the only time that anyone should have a say on where an artist or where an association should be or who they should associate with. And lokho sihlala ukukhuluma abasithethisa khona ukuthi it's now a tired topic ewarora. The moment we have companies, the moment we have brands that are now saying Tina, we are behind ama artists 24/7, and that's the only time that people should start talking when I decide to do whatever. Ngoba Karesi, you are enjoying my comedy, you are enjoying my videos, and but in suka kwampana kumele ngiwalke ngisiyafika emagwegwe then sokumele ngihambe
futhi.
ngiyecenta amasimo
Uhleke
abantu
futhi.
ukuthi ngikwanise ukugqoka kuhle because nginga-appear futhi ngigqoke kubi. You are the same people to say khela uthi ugqoka njani madoda sibukele njani like uhlala umubi in everything that we do. So if it's working for you nangu umama uMandebele it worked.
Bakhuluma baze bathi.
Bakhuluma bazibathula.
And ngibe sengisola uFab G. I don't know ukuthi maybe he meant well.
Yeah.
But I think ukuposta lokhana explain that was a blunder.
Yeah, okunye like we always say ukuthi sometimes ungaswela abantu abakuphathisayo in your craft. Uyahlala wenza ama-errors amaningi because antu Fab G is coming from this issue again ukuthi uhamba ku-podcast lana bafika bathethisana and instead of moving on with that thing and every day ungangena ku-TikTok he has something to say about that. So andabona ukuthi uyabu ukufame because of ingoma oyikhiphileyo emnandi kakhulu then uyakwanisa ukuthi uhluydelete ifame lana ngento ezincancane so ongazenza so
It doesn't owe anyone an explanation.
yes auntie. So ngingavuka mina kusasa as a comedian sithi sengisebenza ko412 ukhona yini ozachinga so why kumele kuchingwe nxa sengisebenzela omunye umuntu ongaso lo wena omthandayo because at the end of the day kungathiwa kulama elections namuhla we expect everyone to go and vote for whosoever that they love. So everyone is politically affiliated at some point and omunye uthanda umqondisi omunye uthanda uChabangu omunye uthanda uChamisa omunye uthanda uEmerson Mnangagwa like sithanda abantu abahlukeneyo but siyakuchiya lokhana then sibuye sosebenza imisebenzi yethu but nxa sifuna ukwehlukanisana ngakho konke it means phela akulandawo lapho siyakhona because ungakhangela abantu abayenza ama-gig ruling party agcwala for status umzuzu 7 badabula kuma-rally ngwabo fashion maradona because kuyabahambela and then mina imomo engiqhubeke ngingcolile comedians for ED coming soon.
Writers for ET, abalobi for ET.
Abalobi for ET because siyalamba like let's not run away from that fact. Siyalamba and every time singazama ukukhuluma ukuthi siyalamba siyathethiswa. You remember I think our second of last podcast from here when we were talking about the support, did you check my comments? Google Facebook
Yes.
Specifically.
Yes.
Yeah, this topic is now topic. Yeah, I'm now unfollowing you guys because they're saying then nxa sensithi alright guys sendithwele impuphu sendwrong futhi kanti manje ngenzeni
Ukuthi impuphu yangibona uyithole ngaphi?
hayi
Lapho.
amadoda impuphu ngiyithwelela esigayweni wethwele emfuleni into esigayweni yikho kule mpuphu kwampa bafana bami asikhali kwampa till abantu bazibathi right we want to stand
Right.
with our very own.
Let me give you an example. Our very own second lady. Uyathandwa kakhulu kuma platforms lawo. Uyathandwa kakhulu.
Yeah.
So I think into le kuya ngokuthi ungubani.
Yeah, kuya ngokuthi ngubani
Ngoba umama baloyi uyathandwa. And yena she's not a politician.
yes
She's a civil servant. But we know she's affiliated with which party. It's known.
At Deb3 Investments, we deliver excellence through 3 specialized portfolios. That is Deb3 Events, Deb3 Studio, and Deb3 Media. Through our media portfolio, we offer photography, videography, editing, and live streaming for all occasions with precision and creativity. Deb3, your satisfaction, our priority. Visit us today at our offices, Office 11, Usain Building, located along Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue, or connect with us through social media. That is Deb3 Events across Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Or give a call or a text on +263 71 691 9313. That is +263 716 919 313. Or email us at deb33@gmail.com.
But
Asiyedwa.
uyathandwa.
Yeah.
So bese ngizibuza ukuthi kahle kusho ukuthi lapha vele kusho ukuthi
thina yithi singavunyeli uphiwa ama-raptor
kulezinye inyamazane ezingcono kulezinye
yithi ume sikhambe ngenyawo forever asivunyeli uba lama-raptor thina akube mina I think the only time mina njengamanje yes I have my own 2 cents enyabe ngivalele ngapha but publicly if you ask me about this I'll tell you till the voice of the artist is heard and we have people that are saying hayi khare sibili athi akobulawa lathi sesiyiphusha financially awumuntu kahambe lapho kudlisa khona
enye into abantu abangayinanzeleliyo ukuthi guys i-arts industry it doesn't only benefit ama artists.
Yeah.
When we have a show, for instance, a show like Shutdown, there are some industries also are benefit from that. Significantly. Yabo. Sebe sikwazi ukuthi nxa iko ise Queens, for example, antikade ise Trade Fair. Ise Queens. Clubs are making money. Bars are making money. Abathengisa ama condoms they are making money. Yabo.
After morning they are making money.
They are making money.
Ama farmers.
Uyabona into yangikhona. So kumele sinanzele ukuthi i-arts industry ithuthukisa amanye ama-industries as well.
Yeah, true.
I thuthukisa izikhwama zama-artists kuphela. Omunye enye company iya supply sound system iqhachile, you know. So baningi abantu ababenefitayo from ukuthrive wama-artists.
Yeah.
But people don't think like that. Yabo abantu abakukhangela.
And mina I think singabi ngama-detector kakhulu ukudlula abantu esifuna ukuthi babe ngama-detector.
Akula muntu esifuna be detect.
Ngitsho bona people want that. People are very I will not apologize.
We don't want detectors.
Because no thina siyapenda umuntu ukuthi lo i-detector and
then
thina we become better detectors. For example, ungangena wena kares maybe ku Twakazi or Triple C. Everyone is excited. But you get nothing. Then ungangena ku ruling party, everyone is threatening to cancel you and what. So who's a detector here?
Ayikho nje singama hypocrite ngoba kathesi sapopota imali kaChivaya nxa iHighlanders sithi ayila mali sithi imali kaChivaya ingaphi
imali kaChivaya ingaphi
but ekufasa sapopota
asifuni
kathesi nxa kuthiwa
club yethu
nxa kuthiwa kula mali we complain ingaphi where is the money uyabo so kahle you can never please
and yiba abantu abasigcileyo because karezi wonke umuntu namhla ngeweekend yabe koSamrio andi mayengekho kweSamrio yabe kwenye iBhawa futhi eyomuntu weRolling Party
khona lapho ukuthi babasigcinileyo
angisho ukuthi
uyakubona umuntu okuncicha impupha abese kunika kulibhanzi
parents uyabudlila ngale manje kwezinye indawo ngale even lebhanzi awuliphiyo encicha impuphu lebhanzi elisinqa uthwele lo libhanzi yalala udlila no like it's not like ama artists kobulawa they haven't tried. They have tried, especially umuntu angavotela opposition uba ngu-MP uba lenye pride. I can give an example unapologetically. Ukhansela we-Country Park ukuthiwa nguHobe. We're doing a program okuthiwa ngu-Cinema for Change. And the only thing esasifuna i-approval. Asifuni imali yakhe, asifuni lutho. Wanted to shoot films in Country Park. And the only thing esasifuna i-signature kaKhansela kaHobe. Kuthiwa nguHobe. And ngahamba mina ngakhuluma laye mina uLeslie and what I'll get back to you lalamuhla and this is like early last year lalamuhla ubhizi kakhulu 14 and ukusayina amfuni imali amfuni partnership amfuni anything. We've got our own cameras, we've got everything and the only thing that I need is for us ukuthi sivumele sisebenze endaweni yakho. I'll get back to you. Ngahambe ema ofisini akakho uzame efonini, I'll get back to you. Manje ngiye ngaphi, alright? Because ngingafika kuSamriyo ngithi le project ka1 sisihle sisebenza.
Yazi ukuthi enye into ababhayiza ngayo lezane zomhlangano zihle zithatha iadvantage
Khona-
ukuthi zibe
khona
popular
abasisebenza,
ngawe. Like you are using each other. Like usucela ama signature la useli use. Like abantu bakhona ba
You see what I was saying? Ngithathelwe impuphu ngaphiyo at least le buns. Manje ngale le buns lakho niliphiwa.
Uthathelwe
Even
impuphu
ngile
wena.
lami buns alright. Sengithathelwe impuphu le buns. Hayi hayi. Hayi awufuni njalo.
I think
Hayi.
enye into anti especially on social media. I mean into enginanzeleleyo personally ngikhangela ama comments and stuff like that. You'll find ukuthi people who are actually more aggressive on into le ebulawa musicians for ED are people that are not based in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, true.
If you check the comments, engagement and stuff, most of them that are really aggressive against Bulawayo musicians for ED, there are people who are not based in Bulawayo, people who are not based in ngabantu bako Bulawayo but who are outside Bulawayo.
Uyakhumbula no even sikhuluma ngama
I think sorry ukubamba.
Yeah.
I think enye into ukuthi abantu aba local sebekhangela umumo bawubona bawugeja ukuthi no whether someone is ZANU or Triple C kuyafanana.
akusebenzi lo
The
kuyafanana.
behaviors of these leaders is the
It's
same.
just the same.
So if you had to associate yourself, since befanana, you better associate yourself
Find
with
where
where
they
you are going to
suka.
benefit.
Ngoba
Ngoba bonke guys, there are no politicians who are better than others in Zimbabwe.
Bafana
Especially
lapha,
Bulawayo,
bafana
they
la.
are the
Everyone
same.
is looking for relevance.
If it was, if now ufuna ukuthi into engikhulumayo, look at the situation now at City Council with our councillors. The recent scenario eka deputy mayor wethu lo mayor uyahlubona ukuthi lapha uxabana lapha it's all about food.
Yeah.
About item lokhu zenini what you call this contract ka town clerk. Uhlubona ukuthi no lapha kulobuhwabo benzakalayo la.
Yeah.
And these councillors ibona labo esibathi opposition bakhona yiba baku forefront ukuthi ay extendwe and ama reasons akhona awacaci why kumele umuntu afakwe ku position forever aza fele esikhundleni abayalwa abafuna
singatshintshwayo.
you know, so you find ukuthi laba bantu they are the same bayafanana vele.
The same people that we voted for and celebrated that we voted for opposition sabahambisa ku parliament are the same people that are voting for Vision 2030.
Yes.
Then mina because imphansi imosomele ngilambe.
So I think people who are not really local, they only rely on news as social media. Like into eziyenzakalayo kahle kahle babe bengela concrete information on what is happening. So wena nxa usuyi musician bekubona as a musician and stuff and then you're associating yourself with the party abayenza ukuthi bahambe baphumela izweni bachima iziyabo. I think ikonkana ikonyo sokusenza ukuthi bagcine besebenjani sebekwatha ukuthi kanti but indoda ususenzani.
But bathumeza in ama-pounds and what or what.
Bathumeza
Because
izimuli
yikho phela
zabo.
okuqhakathekileyo
They are
kwaphana
families,
ukuthi
yes.
alright suyile ngabafana bethu so sisabe sifaka ama-pounds athile a week because wena ntu ngala nti usebenzela omandlo labo abantu abakho kanti lami la ngisebenzela abantu abami.
So anjabona ukuthi perspective nxa sikhuluma ngeperspective ukuthi hayi maybe laba bantu babona ngenye indlela thina esikhona la
No, but
sikubona
the
ngenye
same
indlela.
way thina singabathethisiyo ngokusuka la because anti nxa sonke silapha we can do something and change things and but bona babona kungcono ngala and thina sichinga.
At DAB3 Investments, we deliver excellence through 3 specialized portfolios. That is DAB3 Events, DAB3 Studio, and DAB3 Media. Our events division offers professional PA system hire, lighting, and stage solutions, backed with skilled technicians ensuring exceptional sound and presentation. DAB3, your satisfaction, our priority. Visit us today at our offices, Office 11, Usain Building, located along Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue, or connect with us through social media. That is DAB3 Events across Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Or give a call or a text on +263 71 691 9313. That is +263 716 919 313 or email us at deb33@gmail.com.
So lami ungangishawudi nxa sengisenza okwenzayo la. Because wena lapha kwakuhlula waya ngala and
Okay.
then mina sengidingile iformula yokuthi la kusebenze la.
For you.
And because mina mebhanilayo opportunity yokuya ngale maybe ngicela ugrade 7 when uhambe ngecertificate sobudoctor.
Turn one man for himself.
Yeah, then
and God for us all.
singathethisani mina ngengikwenza ngangcono ungamfollowe andi ufollowe owakho omthandayo then usunithethisa madoda wena ungangale le katshana emqandweni and then ngike ngakhuluma futhi even kuma BAA ukuthi I think especially for ama content creators aphandle abaqale babuze okwenzakala phakathi bengaka comment because ama comments abagcina as a confuse zukuzuku kube lo moya ukuthi uzibani bechinga ukuthi so la esechinge ngangala zukuzuku sethole enye information lapha phela karima uthini kanti.
And also I've noticed ukuthi ama content creators that are not in Zimbabwe. Lapha I'm talking about content creators. Well, not all of them, but the majority of them, they love supporting people who bash local artists.
True.
They love doing that.
True.
Ungaphuma unganuthi ama local artists mabi. They will support you.
Everyone was reposting ulanga and demand. Everyone.
And it's people that are not local.
Not local. Abantu be local they were quiet abangale hawu lithini ngenkulumo kalanga awulanga even uBlack Diva ngakhuluma itekla everyone is like lithini
Black Diva supporta ngabantu abangekho
thina lapha simazi thina
you know so
simazi
so uyabona ukuthi into yakhona ungayikhangela so kungani kule division
yeah
yokuthi kule arts ibulawe arts industry is divided local side
lebulawayo
international side ungakukhangela ukuthi
kwakhona le passport lebulawayo engena
so kungani ku divided
so
kungani futhi kulama teams ukuthi labana thina singaba nga
but khona kumaya nto ndiko kusibulalayo because ungakhangela on the other side of Zimbabwe ungafana okuncane so ukuthi umuntu yabe le EPA 1 and ezokuthiwa seya performa eUK because abangale UK bafu support abona laba bangapha and in whatever whether ungapi whether uphume egqoka isikhava kumbe egqoka iskipa esiyellow as long as music yakushaba and a lot of Harare artists are performing abroad and performing for even ku comedy sibile abo King Kandoro bayenza ama show all over the world and ungacheck ama clip and it's people that speak Shona, people that are aware of the things that are happening in Zimbabwe and thina ngapha asinanzelele ukuthi we choose to be ignorant. Sibona ngathi nxa ngasuka eZimbabwe ngo2000 la khathesi kulokho kunjalo. Then engubona nge2 days emfikile uthi akulama pothole impuphi $7 simbona ngathi vele yonke into vele njengokuthi mina mbona njani asizinike isikhathi sokubuza lokulandela because abafuni kufollowa thina esikhona bafuna thina sibafollowe basitshele ngokwenzakala kobulawa thina sila bona basitshela ukuthi akobulawa kunje so uzibani wrong uzibani uthi so
I think I think those thing and I would want to talk to content creators Bulawayo content creators who are not based in Bulawayo are based outside the country. Stop doing that.
Yeah, it's very wrong.
Sure, maybe it's good for their engagement. They get more viewership on Facebook page them and stuff like that.
It's working
but
actually.
It's a bad thing. Umuntu, you always support that person who bashes local stuff.
Because a lot of artists
ngingaphuma ngisithi kobulawayo ama artists anje amabi ukhangele ukuthi i-engagement ngithola from people from where
abantu abaposta nge-one man show kamzo 7 it's not even half compared to abantu abaposta ngokuchinga kukaBlack Diva so sithini
you see
ukuhlakula ndaba sifuna okubi
yeah
ukuhlakula ndaba
into yangikhona I think content creators I think as we are talking kuyafika engqondweni yami ukuthi no it's because of the engagement.
Yeah, it's for my views and likes.
I think it's because of the engagement. But guys, stop doing that.
Ebafaneni bami laba sebekhetha uhambo lwabo oluhle azikali bafana. Yele.
Mina, I won't stop supporting. I won't stop following. I won't stop listening to music. Kama 9. I won't stop listening to music. Feb G. I won't stop listening to Usipho. All because of their political affiliation. I won't do that. Angendawo. Mina ngifuna content.
Ingoma ingabambi sizakutshela ma9 ingoma le imbi le. Ingaba mnandi futhi sizakutshela ukuthi imnandi. Politics lokho lawo uzibonele mfana ukhulile.
Moving on. Shutdown lineup.
Shutdown lineup.
Mina for now I'm happy. Because into esihlala sichinga ngayo it was addressed.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngobani but sihlala sikhuluma ukuthi shutdown iyaletha ama artists angasoka koBulawayo. Uthole kule kungela even one artist from Bulawayo. But now we have the Noluntus, Insimbi Zejwane, Bila, it's quite a number of them. So I think I am happy and abantu bayachinga but kulabantu abachinga
as usual.
And bengikhuluma ngakho sithi abantu kwesinye isikhathi babo appreciate progress. Because sihlala sithi akulama artists khathesi sithi ama artists akobulayo kufaka leni lokungafakwa ngalowo uzibana ngimboni lapho.
Yeah, you see now another syndrome.
We have our own Bulawayo artists afakiwe lapha. Kuthiwa singathi Bulawayo best artist afakiwe lapha. Sesiqalisa ukuthi indaba kungafakwa ngalwa. So uthi ukuthi lwana ofakiwe bekungamelanga afakwe.
Yeah. my problem always ukuthi kucina kunzima futhi ukuthi support amabulawayo best artist ngoba ungaba support urongo ungekela futhi ukuba support urongo and abantu abafakiwe laphana mina ngingazi kumbe mina you'll find me in almost every show kobulawayo mina I always say uthi even ngela mali ngangcono ngifike ngithethe socket lo ngiyamaduda ngiyabe ngisenza ukuthi at least mbekwazi kuphela ukuthi lo wenzani and ungakhangela abantu abafakiwe lapha ngabantu akade besenza sharp madoda this year ngabantu and asoze sibaqede bonke like I always say uthi these days mbukela kakhulu ichibilika rumba and bakhona amaningi abayenza sharp but asingeke phela sibafake bonke sabaholisani andikho futhi ukuthi 2 days after shutdown anti sesichinga futhi ukuthiwa abaholanga
and plus this is a yearly thing.
Yeah,
they have to continue working hard bazafaka next
yes so wena umuntu angakuchaza ekasi kumbe akuchaze nje lingu 17 ungacabanga ukuthi usichaza ama promoter wonke emhlabeni wonke kanti maybe uchazile but kachaza ngikudlula lo yabona so wena kungabi problem yakho ukuthi wena mebhenxe uthando Leslie then uLeslie kafakwanga lapha then usufuna ukuchinga okunye futhi kuyengcolisa iartist la khona nyake mbone bethula mina ungachinga ngami mina singaxabana because uzamvalela amagap kuchingwa ngawe and lawo yabona ukuthi bar line up play sharp le and la utsho lutho lawo yancedisa ukuchinga kanti kuvalela wena lapha because akula muntu osefusebenza la wantoni usungumuntu okuchinga kanti then ucine futhi usukhunjuza ukuthi wena kumashow akho kulabantu abawu7 suzonda futhi suchinga futhi so nxa ubone maybe umfowenu ethola iopportunity for example mina ngokubona kwami if I had a collab with maybe uBila and ngizothiwa uBila ubizo ku shutdown mina mbizwa mina ngamfonela kanti Bila kwenzini ukuthi sithaye ingoma yethu la esayisha sonke la mina sengikhona ku shutdown la msengikhona ku shutdown la msengichaya ku shutdown because antu zabuza ukuthi ubuya lama artist amanganxa kuyiband libangaka kanti yena uzathi azile ngoma yami lo Leslie sengikhona lami ku shutdown kungcono
but abakuboni khona lokho
abakuboni njalo bona so ukuchinga akusikhambisa indawo because sizayazakala njengabantu bokuchinga sicine sesingasabhukheki so asithabeni ukuthi Karesi kule 4-5 and maybe next time kule 7 maybe next time kule 9 you never know and let's celebrate that then futhi singayala ukuthi kulabanye abantu vele lapha kumele babe khona abayenza ukuthi kube labantu for example mina ngiqalisa vele day 1 ukulandela ishutdown it was because of uWinky D Enxa ungathi awinkitika kokushada noma bangichazise.
Yeah, because vele i-branding yangikhona siyayenza ngendlela yokuthi vele shut down this.
Bangichazise vele uthi wayengekho. So nje benthabile ukuthi lapha ngingakaboni uwinkiti ngizabukela uBhila. Barimeleleni uwinkiti konke bese ngakuyali konke ngakuyala kwesixabanisa.
Sibe realistic.
Sikuyala kwesixabanisa kodwa kanti ukwenzela uBhila sebenze nzima nje kube la amanye amashows ukuthi sibukela uLeslie but simelela uBhila. Yeah. Lapho zabe sisebenza ukuchinga lokho akusebenze ukuthi.
At Deb3 Investments, we deliver excellence through 3 specialized portfolios. That is Deb3 Events, Deb3 Studio, and Deb3 Media. In our studio, we provide high-quality audio recording, production, mixing, and mastering, serving musicians, voice-over artists, and poets all alike. To top it, we have a rehearsal space suitable for bands and solo artists. Deb3, your satisfaction, our priority. Visit us today at our offices, Office 11, Usain Building, located along Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue, or connect with us through social media. That is Deb3 Events across Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Or give a call or a text on +263 71 691 9313. That is +263 716 919 313. Or email us at deb3.3@gmail.com.
So anyway, guys, we are approaching the festive season and kunengi okwenzakalayo. Khangela ku social media, there is a lot that is happening, a lot of events that is happening. And as usual, I'm going to ask uLeslie ukuthi asi-updating ama upcoming events.
December is pegged. Angawatholi wonke. But manengi and makhulu, especially bemfuchata. Bemfuchata mhla 20, mhla 20 kuningi so ngawuthi.
So also kusima yini?
Ama events amaningi on the same day, so la mphinde nchade futhi. Hayi, so ngizadinga elinye ilanga next year. But bemfuza la mhla 20 ukuchata, but akuningi. I think lama court babengekho ama lawyer because wonke umuntu will find a show. All right, so this is what is happening. We've got Amaqaqa eBulawayo Theatre, a gracious driving school, giving us Amaqaqa on the 21st of December. Babe belodonsi lwamapostori eBulawayo Theatre. It's going to be interesting. And what I like about show Amaqaqa le, it's now like an annual thing. They do it every year. So it's something that we can start talking about even January. Ukuthi kulamaqaqa ngoDecember.
Yes.
eBulawayo Theatre. So siyabonga kakhulu iGracious Driving School lina lile every right yokuchinga amaqaqa bangathi besenza okunye because we selibona every year we are supporting ama show amaqaqa especially aka December amanye ngingaza mfuna ukufakaza amanga indaba zabantu uSipho kaZithanda. Right, we also have Ubuntu. I attended Ubuntu last year. Bagcwalisa eBulawayo Theatre.
Wow.
So this year they decided to shift and go to Musical Academy, which is a bit bigger. And obviously, Antisakwazi headline act here to uBhila is going to be there. Nobuntu is going to be there. But it's going to be interesting. Umhlaka 20 December ilanga lami bemfuchata ngalo. So 20 December we've got Ubuntu. Ntambama nje from around 5, I think, a Music Academy. Tickets are now on sale. So make sure you find Ubuntu Cultural Night on all social media platforms, or contact uBhila or khona amaphepha konke and just find out more about Ubuntu Cultural Night. It's going to be live on the 20th of December. Same day, 20 December, emini sabe sephumula amaPraga Phumula Royal Arts Awards njani kusekhona right ephumula. So if you are close to Bulawayo, if you're in Bulawayo, if you're in Zimbabwe, if you're in South Africa, know ukuthi we are doing red carpet in the morning ephumula, a great lineup again khona ngale, even ama host I saw Sipho Mesent ukhona kuma host le to the poet ukhona kuma host. So it's going to be interesting. Sinika phela izicoco abantu abagada kuhla amadonki ephumula. So make sure sure you don't miss that one. Nyakukhuthaza, don't miss that one. Ntambama yakhona, we are moving on to trade fair for the Bulawayo Arts Awards. Lapho nyabe ngikhuluma khona speech sam ntambama sebemphile.
That's a good one.
So libuye lizobona ispeech sami se karempambanisa mnano zomasho so banganika laphana ngizabe ngikhuluma ispeech ngesikhiwa ispeech sami ngiqalisa usibhala izolo ngesikhiwa silamabala amaningi e-dictionary. So we've got the Bulawayo Arts Awards on the 20th again at Trade Fair. So much talent there. Line-up yakhona inhle futhi kakhulu sibili inhle ama-acts akhona mahle sebe sigezile bakithi sebe sibahle sebe sicwebezela sikhamba labantu bethu bakithi asifuni imsindo ku red carpet sokuthiwa umuntu wami uhamba lo muntu wakhe waye umuntu wami engantshela ukuthi lo muntu wakhe. Let's avoid that. So ubuye lo muntu wakho lizohamba ku red carpet. And for all these and other shows engawaqambanga, tickets are on sale khathesi ngikhuluma. So make sure you get yourself a ticket and visit your nearest venue, especially mhla ka 20 ngezwe sithi usendlini yawubetha 3 amashow amakhulu wena uthi ulele yawubetha. I swear ayakusha. Then labana basemazweni lisithengele ama ticket mina lo no sifu attend amashow ngo 300. So if you wena ungazozikwazi ubuya ethengela mina lo no ama tickets sikhambe sifuke kusenise kuma praka suka kuma praka sikhambe ku Ubuntu suka ku Ubuntu sikhambe kuma BA don't worry I ticket don't worry la nyabe ngikhuluma speech so angazi no so yeah, but I think that's all that I have in terms of what has been around social media. I'll try and get more. I know kugcwele awulotsholwa ngathi sam ngihle announce.
Okay, thank you so much, General Leslie, for that. Thank you so much for updating us about the events. Sibonge ama viewers ethu. Thank you so much for tuning in to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. Guys, we always remind you, nxa ungaka-subscribe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us across all social media platforms. Ibizo is Deb3 Events. Comments, guys, we really appreciate your comments. Asikhuthaza, asikhulisa, asincedisa ukuthi lathi sicorrecte lapho esifuna okumele sicorrecte khona. Siyabonga kakhulu kulaba always those that are always engaging with us. Thank you so much. Keep it up. Also do follow us thina ama hosts awe Enkundleni Exclusive ibizo nguNondudu Ncube across all social media platforms. General Leslie laye angamfakazela General Leslie across all social media platforms. So do follow and let's engage. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sibonane futhi kuvikela izayo same platform.
Yes, bonane futhi kuvikela izayo same platform. And before I go, unodinga i-Christmas box bakithi books are still on sale. Ugwalo labalobi kuthani izinebe mnandi kakhulu egwelo. Isihlalo sikababa umhlaba ungihlanekele buchitheka bugayiwe. Ama copies they go for $10. $10.
So uyakwanisa ukuxhumana le Deb3 Events kuma contacts ana la khona ku screen or uyakwanisa ukungena ku social media ku inbox to order a copy. Izimota ziyageza njalo eRoyal Shine Car Wash siqalisela ku $5. It's along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. Bese mvalelisile kodwa Leslie wamphendukisa.
Amabhuku nxa uzulithenga kimi 15.
Black market.
$15. Right, thank you so much. Like Uno was saying, make sure you follow Deb3 TV with YouTube, Deb3 Events across all platforms. Like, subscribe, follow, tell a friend, whatever. And for those that have been commenting every week and liking every week and viewing every week, every day, and not only this platform, but all our platforms khonapha at Deb3 Events. Siyabonga kakhulu salithumezela izipunu for Christmas ukwenza lingathwali nzima nxa sesidla rice, just to say thank you for the job well done and to isupport leliqhubeka lesinika yona. So nxa sesibiza amakhosi lapha izipunu, don't worry, spoons are on us. Thank you so much. Okomanje sesichaya phansi sesiyajoyina lathi ama musicians sithi salibona singalikhangela.
wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu indaba esekudleni